For this recipe, you know, which I'm not sure is a recipe, but you know, it's something I like to have always in my fridge as a condiment. You know, it's something like if you have nothing in your fridge, it can go with some cheeses, it can go with some cold cut. You can add to your salad or even fishes or something like this, you know, which is very delicious. So I just bring back from Serbia some green cow horn pepper, which look very amazing. So what I'm gonna do, I will just torch them a bit, you know, like to burn a bit the skin. Then I will bake them in oven until they are soft. Then I will put them to marinate with a bit of garlic and olive oil and salt. So now I will just take a blowtorch and you're gonna see, you know, you're gonna start to bubble on it. After, you don't need to push too much to get out the skin because I will let them cook with the skin. What I would like to get now is the smokiness of the pepper. So now the pepper are well burned. You see I have burned them everywhere. You know, also I forget to tell you at the beginning, if you want, you know, if you have a barbecue outside, you can directly do them on the barbecue, grill at the same, and you know, in same time you will cook them instead to put them directly in the oven. So I will just put a bit of olive oil just to cover them. After, I will add a bit of salt, a bit of black pepper, and then after I will add 3 garlic cloves that I will just cut in two to put together like this. They will cook in same time. I will put them at 180 degrees in the oven for approximately 20 minutes. Now you can see you have a bit of germs on the garlic. So what I'm gonna do, I will just, with my knife, go right to the middle, then I will push, and to be sure that I will take all these green parts out, because this will bring you a bit of bitterness. So now my corn on green pepper are ready to go in the oven, olive oil, salt, pepper, the garlic. Now I put in the oven 180 degrees for approximately 20 minutes until your pepper become very tender. So now the pepper are cooked, or if you want, you can keep them, you know, you could put them in a container or a jar, cover with olive oil, and you can keep them in your fridge, as we discussed before, all the time you want to use it, or you can serve it directly, you know, it can accompany a nice salad or something. Me, I will just serve him with a bit of fresh parsley like this. It will bring a very nice freshness to them. So I will just cut quickly the parsley. I like to keep some chunk, so it's good to not cut it too much like this. You know, when you will bite it, you will have the full flavor of the whole parsley. The pepper, you can see, perfectly confit. Take it very simple. After, you add your garlic on top, perfectly roasted also. And then after, we just finish with a bit of fresh parsley. And after, I will just drizzle a bit of olive oil. Hop, done. Corn, cow corn, cow horn. So now the no, guys, please don't do this. So I have bring from my trip to Serbia some green cow horn pepper.
Try it again.
Yes, I know you.